So our new friend, Łukasz, found an old artifact. I'll show you. Oh, you do? This is where medicine was. And see that hole right there? Right there. You put a needle in, so like a shot in there. There was medicine in here. Just like they do now. But see, this is older. It has like an older kind of thing. So we're going to keep it. Because it's really cool. I am currently about to plant a mini cherry tree, just like the ones over there. I got a seed, see? I'm making a hole.
Wait, I didn't see the seed.
I'm making a hole. I got a shovel from the sandbox.
Still didn't see the
A second
seed.
ago. Okay. And a second ago, there was a bird that sounded like a Pokemon.
It was like doo 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 doo.
Watch, watch.
More.
I think that's good. Whoa, what's that stuff? Where? That is the seed.
Wait, where is it?
Right there.
There it is.
Now move. Now watch. I gotta put the dirt over it and pat it down. Then we can water it. Then no one will know. And then a mysterious random cherry tree will just start growing after a couple of years.
A couple years.
Next year when we come, if we do come, it'll be like up there, or like up there or something. Be a little cherry tree. Let's do this. Da, 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 da.
Should we bring that other shovel thing?
No. I'm doing it with the plastic one because plastic shovels are cool. Oh, something just fell on my back. Something wet.
Like that from the sandbox, that other thing for like scraping.
You can put all your. Just a cool echo. There we go.
Woo!
Now I'm gonna go get a little cup thing to water it. I got my bucket. Right.
What, you washing it out?
That's good. Let's go.
Where is it again?
Right there, where all that gray dirt is. Watch.
Okay.
I just planted a random cherry tree in the middle of somewhere where it's probably not supposed to be. Yeah. Okay, let's go. What do you have?
Abs!
What kind of abs?
Sexy ones.
Where are those abs?
Right there. Right there. Right there. Abs. I have medicine.
Good, what did you drink?
Science.
Show us the abs.
Like bam, 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 bam.